In 3, 2, 1. Pave me a path to follow, and I'll tread any dangerous road. I will beg and I'll steal, I will borrow. If I can make your heart my home. Throw me to the water, I don't care how deep or shallow, because my heart can pound like thunder, and your love can set me free. Oh, I have promised I will love you till the end of time. Through it all, the good, the bad, the ugly, and divine, I will be the melody, the rhythm, and your rhyme. And all I want is for you to be mine. So can I get it right now? 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 Let me just come and get it. Can I get it? You tease me with your control, because I long to live under your spell. And without your love, I am hollow. I won't make it on my own. Oh, I have promised I would love you till the end of time. Through it all, the good, the bad, the ugly, and divine, I will be the melody, the rhythm, and your rhyme. All I want is for you to be mine. So can I get it right now? 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 Let me just come and get it. Can I get it? When will you run with me like I know you wanna? And you're the one for me, and I'm counting on you to put the pieces of me back together. So can I get it right now? 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 Let me just come and get it. We did it. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for Can I Get It by Adele on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you're playing in this video? Well, let me tell you, this is a concert-sized Enya ukulele. It's absolutely amazing. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can go shop their ukes. I love them so much. And also, they look amazing, they sound amazing, but they are super affordable. So if you're looking for an affordable size concert uke or any size uke, Enya is definitely your uke that you are looking for. So again, link for that will be down below. Link for the merch, currently wearing the Uke Fam hoodie, which is the logo for this channel. And also, links to all of my socials will be down below. Everything is at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. Also, most importantly, make sure to leave your song recommendations in the comments down below. I love listening to what you guys have to recommend for this channel, and maybe, just maybe, the next video might be your song. So make sure to leave your comments down below on this video. That is it from me. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.